New cases of an old disease, whooping cough, on the rise here in Michigan and nationwide. 24-Hour News 8's Danny Carlson has more tonight on what you can do to keep your family safe. Danny?
Larry, basically all the experts that we spoke to today agree. They say the best thing to do to keep you and your family safe from whooping cough is to get vaccinated.
And it's not really a vaccination of convenience. It's one of those that we give because this actually has the ability to kill a child, and so it's important that we treat it early if we do find it.
And they've been finding it more and more. At least 2 cases of whooping cough in the past 2 days at Spectrum Butterworth Hospital. And there are already twice as many Michigan cases this year, about 600, as there were for all of 2008.
The increase in this is a little bit worrisome because it tells us that we've now gotten to a point where there are enough people in the society not vaccinated that it can go from person to person.
Dr. R. Corey Waller says he thinks the rise is due, at least in part, to many parents not vaccinating their kids over the past few years because of concerns vaccines might cause more serious health problems than they prevent.
It's very unfortunate that people believe that. Vaccines are one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century. And again, people become complacent when these diseases are decreased. But it's very sad because the side effects from the vaccines are much less than the side effects from these deadly diseases.
Which for whooping cough can include coughing for weeks or months, difficulty breathing, and even death if it's not treated in time. But even with the increase in cases, experts say if you and your child are vaccinated, chances of getting the disease are close to zero.
This is not something people should be afraid of at all. Their children have been vaccinated. If you're taking care of your kids, you keep them home when they're ill. You keep them away from other people who are coughing, so there's no reason to be scared. It's just to do the normal things you would do to keep your children healthy.
Experts that we talked to said that babies and kids under 10 are the most at risk to get a serious form of the disease. But the good news is if you or your child start showing signs of being infected with whooping cough, experts say that it can be treated pretty easily with an antibiotic if it is caught early enough. Kent County does offer low-cost vaccines for whooping cough and several other diseases, even for people who don't have insurance. And officials there say that they can make an appointment for your child to get vaccinated before school starts. For more information, log on to our website, woodtv.com. At the Live Desk, Danny Carlson, 24-Hour News 8.